Having trouble connecting your AirPods to your Peloton? Don't worry. It's a common issue with easy fixes. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your AirPods are in pairing mode. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until the light flashes white. This white flashing light indicates your AirPods are discoverable and ready to pair. On your Peloton touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then select Bluetooth Audio. Your AirPods should appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap Connect to pair them. If your AirPods don't appear in the list, first make sure they aren't already connected to another device like your phone, as this can interfere with pairing. Try resetting your AirPods by holding the button until the light flashes amber. Then repeat the pairing process. For persistent issues, try clearing the Peloton's cache or restarting the touchscreen. Remember, keeping both your AirPods and Peloton software updated is crucial for maintaining a stable connection. Many users experience low-volume issues when connecting AirPods to Peloton, especially with AirPods Pro. Here's how to fix this common problem. The solution is simple. Maximize the volume on your iPhone or connected device before pairing with your Peloton. This presets the audio level for optimal sound. Now let's explore the exciting future trends that will enhance your Peloton and AirPods experience. The future brings tighter integration between Apple Watch and Peloton for real-time health monitoring. Your heart rate, calories, and workout metrics will sync seamlessly. Artificial intelligence will revolutionize how workouts are personalized, potentially changing how audio instructions are delivered through your AirPods. Virtual reality represents the ultimate future of fitness. Imagine immersive VR workouts that completely transform how audio and visuals are delivered during exercise. Advanced touch controls will also evolve, giving you more intuitive ways to interact with your audio during workouts, from volume adjustments to workout navigation.